Hello, everyone. Welcome to akaAT Studio. In this video, we'll introduce to you about GUI and feature of tool. This is welcome screen when you first open tool or create a new project. The main features are placed on the left side bar. Project folder, mobile recorder, API recorder, debugger, and GUI are on upper left. Setting, update driver, start Appium, and user are displayed on bottom left. Next, akaAT project structure. The project view allows you to browse the structure of your projects and access all test artifacts quickly. Using the context menu on the view, you can create new artifacts, organize the view's items, or drag and drop them to the certain editor views if needed. In header of tree view, show name of project and search bar. Object repositories list all object repositories locator values of the current project. UI object has three types: web, mobile, and window. API service object has two types: REST API and SOAP API. Database query object has two types: SQL object and NoSQL object. I will show you the interface of a new object. This is an web UI object. It stores the locator of elements in web. There are many locator strategies that you can choose. This is up to you when you get locator in web. Test case. It lists all test cases within the current project. Test case has 5 types: E2E, web, mobile, window, and geometer test case. This is the interface of test case, having keywords, test steps, and variables. On toolbars, there are 7 main features: save, run, debug, web record, select capability, global variable, and store script ID. In addition, we have other features: export to keyword group, enable or disable, delete, failure handling, and capture image. Next, test suite. It lists all test suites of the current project. Test suite has 5 types: E2E, web, mobile, window, and geometer test suite. This is interface of test suite. We can add one or many test cases here. We can use concurrent instance to run many test cases in the same time. Test flex is a set of test cases, test suite, and controller steps show that has some specified set of behaviors. Test flex has 4 types: E2E, web, mobile, window. Test flex helps to run test by modulating with condition. Test data. It lists all test data of the current project. This is an interface of test data. It has the following main functions: import data, add column, add row, and quick sync. Next, go to report. Reports folder is where the reports are stored after each test case, test suite, or test flex run. It is sorted into folders by date. This is an interface of report. Capabilities. This menu contains all capabilities of the environments to perform automation testing for mobile, web, window applications. Business keywords. It contains 2 types: custom keywords and keyword groups. In custom keywords, you can create your own code by creating a new Java file. You can use POM file to add dependencies. It helps a great deal in defining, creating, and maintaining reproducible builds with well-defined class paths and library versions for Java. About keyword groups. It is a group of steps that would be reused over and over again in many test cases. You can export steps from the test case by copy and paste step to a keyword group and recall it to other test cases. Database setting. It contains database configurations used to connect to the database through database management systems such as MySQL, SQL Server. Project setting, where you can know location of the project in your computer and able to run test cases test suites with the custom profile. Keyword setting. It uses to manage all keywords in akaAT Studio, including default keywords and custom keywords. Now, it has three main features: edit, add new, and after test case. Maven setting, where you can config proxy, server, and mirror. So, I have just introduced to you about GUI and features of akaAT Studio. To know more details about each functions, please watch the next videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.